Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract the title out of a YouTube video using the YouTube API. I'm going to go over basically how to create the request, how to execute the request, and the different components of it. So let's start first with the library that we're going to be using. The name of the library we're using is the Google API Client Library. So make sure you import this, install it, however you want to install it. Do it that way, whether you're using NPM or whatever. Install this and then import Google API Client.discovery. And then once you have the import squared away, you're going to want to set 3 variables. And you don't have to do this, but this is how I'm doing it. So you should do this because I'm going to reuse these variables later. You're going to set the API underscore service underscore name to equal YouTube. The API version is going to be the v3 because we're using the v3 version of the YouTube API or the Google API or of the YouTube API, excuse me. And then you're going to set your developer key. This is just a reference to my local developer key. It's just a string. And then once we do that, we have to execute this build method. So we create a variable called YouTube and we execute Google API Client.discovery.build and we pass in those 3 declared variables above. Service name, version, developer key. Now we have our YouTube variable. What we're going to do is create the request. The request is going to equal YouTube, and then we're going to call the videos method. There's a bunch of methods in the YouTube API. Videos is just another one of the methods that you use to pull out information. There's a channels method, there's a comments method. Videos is the one we're using here. So videos.list, and we're going to pass in 2 parts to the list. First is the part. So part equals snippet. So we're just going to tell the YouTube API to return us the information that they call a snippet. So it's a snippet of information, and then we pass in the ID of the video we're going to be pulling the URL out of. So in this case, this is the video ID, and here is the video URL. So the video ID is just this last part. After the question mark, equals, and then that. Pass in the ID, and then you do your response equals request.execute. So we execute this request. And then from there, let me show you what we pull out. So this is the unaltered snippet part, right? So you get a category ID, channel, you get the name of the channel, you get the description of the video. You see all the tags here. And then there's the title, right? So we just need to access this member of the response. How do we do that? Well, we do that by using, I use Pretty Print, but we pretty print response, and then the first part is items, list item number 0, or the place 0, and then you do snippet, the key of snippet, put that in there, and then the next one is title. So this will print out the title of the video, which is Cool Tuesday in Siem Reap. Now, let's say we wanted to get something else. What else could we get? That's the question. Maybe we could get the tags. How about tags instead of title? We'll just put that right in there. Tags, and this should print out all the tags for the video. So that's how you pull information, particularly at the title and the tags, out of a video using the YouTube API. If you got anything out of this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Subscribes are really what I'm going for. If you could subscribe to this channel, I'd really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000 ASAP. I'm speed running 1,000, so please subscribe. Have a great day, and I'm going to keep creating good content for you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.